Hey there, welcome back. Here's a quick demo of Viveka's Lakehouse AI agents helping you set up your Lakehouse on Databricks. As I'll show you in the video, this is not just an enabler, but a doer. The agents actually do work for you in your cloud environment. When teams start using Databricks to set up their Lakehouse, one of the first steps is almost always connecting to your S3 where you have stored your data. What sounds simple involves a series of steps involving creating IAM roles and policies, storage credentials, and making sure everything is secure and least privileged. The first step is, the docs page on Databricks. That's the input to Viveka. And the first set of agents come back with a plan, which is this runbook. Here is a demo bucket I made with 2 folders and 1 files for this video. And then here is my Databricks workspace. And as you can see, I don't have any external location or any storage credential other than the default, which Databricks already provides for their serverless storage. So let me click on dry run. This is where the fun starts. As you can see, a bunch of agents are starting to work together. And the first step is they come back with a detailed technical plan of what they're actually about to do in AWS for me. I approve it. I click on run. There's an AWS agent involved. The Databricks agent is already fetched the Databricks product account ID for me. And now it is asking me for the role name, the bucket name, and the policy name. Let me just copy paste my bucket name and give it to the agents. Yeah, so here is my bucket name, and I'll just ask it to figure it out on its own if it requires any KMS key or not. Let me also give it the policy name, and then I'll press enter. Yeah. So now the next set of agents are looking at what and at my input, and now they'll come back and start doing things for me on my AWS account. As you can see, it has already retrieved the KMS key I'm using for my bucket. It has made the IAM role. The next steps are, it'll create a policy, attach the policy to the role, and let me just confirm that it actually did the right thing. So as you can see, this is my IAM page on AWS. And there's a trust relationship where you can see it has both the self-assuming role as well as the Unity catalog on Databricks role. Now, the agents have all done everything which I wanted them to do on my AWS. Now I'm asking this agent to now create the storage credential and the external location on my behalf on my Databricks account. It's taking my instructions. It'll come back with a plan. As a human expert, I'll still review the plan. This looks good to me, and I'll now press run. And the set of Databricks agents we have under the hood will start executing things on my behalf in my Databricks workspace. So let's see what's happening here. Yep, it has already created the storage credential. It faced an error here, but it'll debug and get out of that error. Yep, it has already created a storage credential, and it will also create the external location. So here is my Databricks workspace. As you can see, there's a storage credential already here. And let me make sure that the external location is, yep, external location is available. And now let me click on browse. And as you can see, the 2 folders and 1 file I had in my bucket are already showing up here. That's the main demo I had for today. Stay tuned. I'll be updating more use cases shortly. Thank you for watching this video.